What is up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to post a job listing on online jobs. So this is going to be easy and really quick. So first, simply log into your online jobs employer account. So if you don't have one yet, you need to sign up and simply verify your payment method. But once you're logged in, you then have to go to the jobs tab and click post a job. Then next, you then have to fill out the job details like the title, description, required skills, and working hours. So simply be clear and specific so applicants know exactly what you're looking for. Now from there, you also be able to set the salary range and indicate whether the position is full-time, part-time, or project-based. So after completing all fields, you then have to review your listing and click publish. So your job will then appear in the marketplace for Filipino workers to apply instantly. So you also be able to manage applications, message candidates, and hire directly from your dashboard. And that's it. So that's literally how to post a job on online jobs. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.